All right, this exercise is called a half kneeling knee flexion lift off. So what we're gonna need is a wall. If you have two dowels here, you could use this, or you could use a chair or a box to hold with your hands here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna have one foot facing forward, so you want your heel underneath your knee. This other leg we're gonna put up against the wall here. We wanna make sure our toes are pointed down, all right? We don't wanna point them up this way, we wanna point them down here. We're gonna hold the box or your two dowels here, and you wanna fixate them down into the ground here. We wanna slightly tuck our pelvis forward. So we wanna tilt our pelvis forward here, and you're gonna take a deep breath in, and we're gonna try to lift this back foot off of the wall without leaning forward. So we wanna stay in this position here, lifting off. Again, not pointing our toes up, we wanna point them down, and we're gonna hold that position and relax. And again, we're gonna do that all over again. Tilt that pelvis forward, squeezing that glute in the hamstring, and lift off, and hold, and relax.